Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel with Us. Wondering if your Thailand trip is worth visiting with family? We have handpicked a collection of finest vacation plan for you and your family. We'll start our journey in the vibrant city of Chiang Mai, then wind through misty mountains, tea plantations, and quiet villages, all the way to the enchanting border town of Ban Rakthai, famous for its breathtaking scenery and warm Yunnanese culture. This trip isn't just about travel. It's about slowing down, spending time with family, and discovering places that feel untouched by time. So buckle up, grab a cup of tea, and join us as we uncover secret spots, taste incredible food, and celebrate love in the heart of Thailand's north. After a scenic mountain drive, we arrived at Nihao Rakthai Resort. From the moment we stepped in, we felt like we'd entered a peaceful Chinese-inspired village straight out of a fairy tale. Our stay began with a warm welcome and the kind of quiet that instantly puts your mind at ease. Tucked right along the lake, our accommodation gave us front row seats to one of the most serene landscapes we've ever seen. Today's adventure is extra special. Not only we are celebrating our wedding anniversary, but we are also taking you along the boat ride in the scenic lake. Perched at an elevation of approximately 1,800 meters above sea level, Rakthai village offers a cool climate all year round, making it a perfect retreat for a summer vacation. The best time to visit Ban Rakthai is from November to February during the cooler, dry season for pleasant weather and the magical sight of mist over the lake. For a different experience, the rainy season from June to October offers deep green scenery. Ban Rakthai has a population of just fewer than 1,000 people and sees very few tourists due to its remote location located near Thai-Myanmar border. Even breakfast felt special here, watching the mist rise from the water as we taste the delicious food and shared stories. This is one of our favorite moments, just sitting in the living room, gazing out through the large glass windows. The resort is conveniently located within a short walk to the lake, restaurants, and other shops in Ban Rakthai village. Along the lakeshore are some cafes and restaurants offering a fantastic panoramic view of the lake. The Yunnan settlers brought their cuisine with them and passed it to the next generation. But being in Thailand, it got mixed with the local flavors. You can find cuisines both from Yunnan and Thailand. As Ban Rakthai is well known for its tea products, sip a cup of tea at one of the tea houses offering a variety of homegrown tea leaves. The location and the altitude of this village make it the perfect place for growing tea. Visit the tea gardens, which is free to enter for the tourists between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Try out the local fragrant tea and dried fruits in the local shops. This is the only village in Thailand we have traveled to that does not have a 7-Eleven. But still there are shops that sell the basic utilities like water bottles, snacks, and hygiene products. Don't depend on an ATM or cash machine in the village. We couldn't see one, so load up the local currency before getting there. Nothing says romance like a moonlit boat ride. Add some lanterns to the mix and you've got a dreamy, enchanting experience that your significant other is sure to love. Glide across the water under the stars and take in the beautiful views together. It's the perfect way to celebrate a special occasion or just to add a little magic to your relationship. Add in a wooden boat ride, tea tasting sessions, and nearby attractions, you'll understand why Ban Rakthai is one of the Northern Thailand's best kept secrets. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more peaceful getaways and family travel stories from around the world. See you next time.
When I hear it coming up like that, I just know that things are gonna end bad. When my body only moves for the beat, you've been waiting for me. I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it. Then walk with it, la 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 la. I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it.